What's up guys, it's Pro Dry here, and I'm bringing you another video on how to use off-camera flash. Lens of choice this time, 85 DGDN Sigma with the Sony a7R II. I have the Flashpoint Xplor Pro 300 with the flash trigger as well. So let's get to it. What's up guys? So now the model's finally here.
Hello.
Shout yourself out, go ahead.
Leah, yours truly Leah on Instagram.
Alright, go follow her, she does some nice work, she's an excellent model, and like I said, we're gonna do a behind the scenes tutorial on how I do off-camera flash, and I love her outfit for this photo shoot because it complements the background and everything else. So we're in Prospect Park, New York City, you know where we're at. So let's get started. This is Sony, by the way. So you want to have a flash trigger to set up, and what this does is it controls the flash unit to, you know, fire and, you know, control the light and such and so forth. So I'm using the Glow 23-inch, I think, parabolic beauty dish, and what that does is allow me to create a soft light on the model's face. So what you want to do right before you start is get some test shots. Let's see. No, you're good. No, you're good. What you want to do? You got that right. Okay. All right. What you want to do is, you want to dial in your ambient first. So what you want to do first is to turn off the flash, and then dial in your ambient. This is what my ambient looks like, and it looks kind of good right here. You know, it looks great. This is a natural light photo, so. You know, that is pretty good. That's a good shot. A7R II, excellent quality. But
okay guys, sorry, but I actually didn't know that my flash wasn't going off since it was on the wrong channel. So these shots were completely natural.
okay, so it turns out that was all natural light. So the flash wasn't on. Always make sure your flash is on and it's on the correct channel. So that was all natural light. So this is kind of like a double. You know what I'm saying? So now let's try this again. So we're gonna start with 1/16 power, right? This is what it looks like if we start with 1/16. Bust it one more time, Aaliyah. Aaliyah, right? Leah, I'm sorry, I keep saying Aaliyah. Okay, so that's a little bright, and that's fine. You just gotta adjust it. Let's try 164, 1, 2, 3. Excellent. Now let's try 128. There you go. Honestly, there's something about a flash that just, you know, the flash look is just excellent. 1, 2, 3. There you go. What I'm gonna do now is, since the highlights are on the right side of her face, I kind of want to keep the flash right here. Actually, like I said, it all depends on the position of the model, but I'm getting some highlights from right here on her face, so I guess I can bring the flash a little bit here because I don't want to overpower the highlights, and I'll bring the shutter speed, flash power down because I don't want to go too crazy and ruin the shadows.
The main thing I enjoy about working with experienced models is the sheer amount of creativity they have. Right off the bat, I could tell that Leah was a pro at modeling. It's actually almost like mind reading, which is always cool to me.
Excellent, let's bring it back up again. 1, 2, 3. Now that's good. A little bit strong on the power, but I'm gonna bring it down to 1.8. That might be my sweet spot. Okay, ready, Leah? Okay, now since the model has suggested an idea, she's gonna go full on Earth, as you can no doubt tell. So
I took my shoes off.
That gives me an idea to.
It felt more natural.
There she goes. So that gives me an idea. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna switch to. I'm shooting with the 85 Sigma 1.4 right now, and you know that gives me those nice dreamy blurry backgrounds. So I'm going to switch to the. Let's see. Drum roll, please.
You got insert that.
I'm shooting with the Sony 28 to 70 kit lens. So that way I can get a wide angle of, you know, the whole scenery. It's more of an environmental lens, which is fine. It's an adjustable lens, but you know, you want to get everything when the creativity is out like that.
The moment I switched to the 28 to 70mm kit lens, I was already loving the results. You do sort of lose out on the bokeh of the 85-1.4, but with a focal distance of 28 to 35, it's more about where the model is rather than who they are.
So what do you think, Leah? You got any more locations in mind? You want to do another outfit?
We could do another outfit.
Sure.
So around this point, Leah decided to show off her second outfit, which was a dress that I swear was salmon colored, but many of others, including Leah and Shaquem, stated was orange.
I can answer two. It's orange or salmon? What color is this?
Kind of like a burnt orange.
A burnt orange is a burnt salmon. It's a salmon.
It's not a salmon, no. That's not salmon.
It's a salmon, guys.
Man, yo, that's just the dog. The dog got better. Look, he's like, nah, ain't no way.
But I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd.
How you feeling, Leah?
I'm trying to carry. No, I don't even have that much to carry. He's carrying more. I'm carrying so much.
Yo, I feel bad, bro. That's crazy. Alright.
See the struggle?
Wait, let me get the blanket out.
Yeah, take the blanket, bro.
Yeah.
For the second outfit, we wanted to go for something calm and a bit whimsical. Since Leah had a dress on, it gave us princess vibes. So a nice shady area under a tree was definitely the next stop.
Baby, don't say you don't.
Alright, let's try 1/16 power and see if that's our sweet spot. 1, 2, and 3. Make sure eye autofocus is on. Okay, now let's bring it back up. Excellent, see?
Ooh, gangster.
Right? You see that? You see it? 1, 2, 3. I'm just gonna adjust the flash a little bit and bring it over here. Get it to cover more of her. I'm just getting a whole bunch of shots, you know, honestly, this is my favorite part about doing photo shoots. It's just getting a whole bunch of shots. You don't even know which one to choose from because they're all so good.
Yeah.
The shots taken by the tree came out perfectly, but thankfully for me, Leah had an unexpected prop that enhanced the photo shoot. I guess it's a good thing she was hungry.
We could do some B-roll. And then also...
Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me, 'cause you know.
After the tree, the final location we chose was a walkway right across from us. Why such a basic location? There, that's why. Sometimes something simple goes a long way. At least it wasn't a bench picture this time, guys.
Oh yeah, that was. There we go. One more time.
Don't be shy.
Leah, what do you think about off-camera flash?
I like it. I like it a lot. I'm excited. I'm already like loving the behind the scenes little sneak peeks you've been showing me. I love it.
Do you prefer it to natural light, or what do you think? Do you like the setup and stuff?
I like the concept of it a lot. Like it's really cool. I don't know. I just see like how you have to like tap into your creative ability too, like just to set everything up.
So there you have it. Leah said it, stamp it, move it. Off-camera flash is better than natural.
Yo, this...
Alright, so that concludes our photo shoot / tutorial on how to use off-camera flash with Sony cameras. This works with any other camera as well. Strobes really work the same way. But I want to give a nice thank you to the model, Leah, for coming out. She was so awesome. Right? I love, like I said, kind people, had the ideas come, easiest models to work with. So exactly, follow her if you guys want to get in contact and work with her. I recommend it. 10 out of 10. She's great.
Aww.
And prom and try out. See you guys on the next video.